It's been 2021. We all need a space to accommodate our work from home setup. Ever since I started working from home, I spend a lot of time sitting, which is not ideal. My goal is to have a desk which I can switch quickly between sitting and also standing. So this will help me to stretch my leg, and it also enable me to relax my back, which is why this standing desk can help me to achieve it. Hi, I'm Ferik Tantomi. I'm working as interaction designer and also a content creator. So in this video, let's take a look of Stramm standing desk. So if you don't know about Stramm before, they're a company based in Indonesia. Most of the product they sell are office chair and also the office desk. Now they are also focused bringing more ergonomic chair and also standing desk. So I want to shout out to Stramm for actually sending this standing desk. But don't worry, since they don't pay me at all, I will make sure this is an honest review based on my experience. So actually I've never been using standing desk before, so this is like my first experience on using the standing desk. So the standing desk is called Alfonso series. It is about 7.7 million rupiah, or it is roughly about 550 bucks. There are several combinations for the color. This one is combination of white tabletop and also white leg. So it does come pre-built with custom tabletop size, which is good for someone who doesn't need to build by themselves. But for someone like me, I like to build it myself, so I think having option for DIY will definitely help. So you can choose other combinations such as like wood tabletop with white legs and also the black combination. The standing desk also comes with an AC adapter and couple of cables. Maybe I'm a little bit nitpicky, but I wish the cable also come with the white color. Talking about the material, the entire structure are built from steel, including the legs, feet, and connecting rails. Which is why this standing desk is quite sturdy even at the maximum height. So the legs is highly adjustable. You can extend the legs up to 180 cm, which is really important if you're planning to change into more wider tabletop in the future. So the desk can support up to 100 kg, which is really important if you have big monitor in the desk. So the tabletop is made from blockboard, so it will be definitely sturdier than regular MDF tabletop. So I found the finishing look very nice and the corner are rounded. So this will be my preferences, but I like the rounded corner because it is more ergonomic. Also it is more movement friendly, so I will not have any accident running into the sharp edges. So the tabletop size is about 160 and 80 cm, which is a huge desk. Also actually you can find the subtle logo in the front of the tabletop. I really love the aesthetic of the desk, it feels super minimal and I really appreciate it. The weight of the table is perfect. I can put my desk shelf, monitor, desk lamp, plant, and even I still have some space left. I also like the depth of the table because it increases my distance between my eyes and also the monitor. By having a good depth will definitely reduce eye strain, especially when using such as like ultra wide monitor. So the cable management is clean and easy. Also it has a tray to put the AC adapter, which is very neat. But bear in mind the tray doesn't use any screw on it, so you just need to tuck on it. So make sure you pull them away if you need to move the desk. Also one thing to remember, you don't get something like a cable raceway to put your other peripheral cable. To adjust the desk you get the controller button. It is fully motorized and it has LED display on it. So the minimum height is 71 cm and the maximum height is 116 cm. There is a huge difference. To give you a reference, my height is about 177 cm. So I found it is very comfortable sitting and also standing position. So the controller support up to 4 memory position, which is perfect for saving personalized height adjustment. So in my experience, I personally use only 2 memory position. So I found adjusting the desk is a bit challenging at first, since the display doesn't show any clear information. So actually I need to read the manual to set the adjustment. So I wish the controller is more user friendly. But once you got it, ideally you will not find any issue. To set the memory position, you can adjust manually by increasing and decreasing the level. Then you can hold M button for 3 seconds, then tap any number memory position. Then it will save to your favorite position. Personally, I only set my favorite sitting height position and maximum height for standing position. And also the desk does have anti-collision system. So the idea is the standing desk will stop the desk movement if the desk hit an object. So this will help to minimize the chance of the table will break. To set it, you need to tap these 3 buttons. Once you set it, there is a dot beside the level to indicate the anti-collision system is active. I found the speed of adjustment is not too slow and also is not too fast. So ideally I don't have to wait too long when I want to adjust the desk. The transition between sitting and also standing is very seamless and I love it. Also the standing desk will have some noise when you adjust the desk. Personally I don't find it loud, but certainly it is a subtle noise. For this price, I'm sure it is not a cheap desk, but I personally think this is a really solid standing desk. It is sturdy, it has a tons of adjustment, and it has anti-collision system. If you spend a lot of hours in the desk, I genuinely think this is worth to invest, especially if you're working from home in this current situation. I generally use standing position whenever I want to take a break, then I can do less intensive work, such as like checking email, writing on documentation, or even browsing on the web. I also add custom ergonomic footrest to support my leg. It allows me to reduce back pain and also reduce the discomfort in my leg. So whenever I need to work intensively, I can switch to sitting position where I can focus more into the work and spend couple of hours. One of the improvements I wish is the controller is more user-friendly. Also, I hope they can provide add-ons such as like more premium solid wood for tabletop, a drawer below the desk, or even a standing mat in the future. So overall, I'm genuinely impressed with this standing desk. Being able to work on standing position really improved my productivity. It actually creates interesting workflow, which I appreciate a lot. So that's it about the video. If you do like the content, don't forget to like and also subscribe this channel. It does really help me out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe more.